Hello, YouTube. This is the Truth Man. I want to talk to you a little bit about security systems. Listen. Please get off of this advocating for criminal stuff. As you can see, I have a Kia. This car has been stolen. I did a video on a way to prevent it. There is a club that it's nearly impossible to get off, and by the time they do get it off, you'll be dragging them out of your car, stumping them. These punks just want to steal. We have to teach guys that there's a way to get the things that you want, and it's called work, jobs, and business. And we also have a place for people who don't want to be good citizens out here. So you'll see sometime, like I told you, I talk on all subjects. And this time I'm talking about the beginning of my installation of a ring security upgrading system. And here's one of the spotlights right here. I'm not sponsored by Ring, but these things are only $40, and it's real easy to install. You see that? You take that off. You put you mount this piece right here first into the surface that you're going to use, and then you connect the other part, which is this part right here. It's a motion sensor. See, these guys, they want to break in your cars, break in your house, but they don't want to go to jail because they're not all that tough. And believe me, I know I've been in juvenile corrections for over 13 plus years. This will get them gone. Bye-bye. Because see, what you have to do is, these are $40. Then the bridge is $50. So what you do is you download the app, you put all of your ring equipment, you connect all of your ring equipment, and then you connect it through the app and the bridge. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, with some of us out here, it's going to be pretty dangerous for criminals. The risk of going to jail, being hit upside your head, or anything else is high. Because people are tired of these people costing them money. So, as you can see, here's my Kia 2020. I had to pay $500 in deductible to get this car out. And they damaged the engine. What's next? See, like I have another video where I talked about rats and how if you don't repel rats, whether they be human rats, I compare humans sometimes to rodents. They're going to invite themselves to your belongings. So, yeah, it will be highly upgraded. I'm going to put a fence out here. It's going to be so magnificent. Because see, I don't know about you, but I don't advocate for evil people. I'm a man of God. See, real people of God, they don't advocate for these type. And I'll be giving you videos about this as we go. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. This is the Truth Man.